Is your device suddenly offline and you're not sure why? Let's get you back online with Spectrum. First, we need to access your Spectrum account. You can do this easily using the Spectrum app on your smartphone or by visiting the Spectrum website on any web-enabled device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section that lists your connected devices. This might be labeled My Devices, Connected Devices, or something similar. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices connected or that have been connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Look for the specific device that's currently having trouble accessing the internet. It might be indicated with a status like blocked, paused, or offline. To unpause it, simply tap on the device. You should see an option to unblock or renable it. This might be a button that says Unpause Device, an option to toggle a switch, or a similar clear command. Tap that option and the device should be immediately unpaused. You'll likely see its status update to reflect that it's now connected and has internet access. And that's it. Your device should now be able to reconnect to your Spectrum Wi-Fi and get you back online. If you encounter any further issues, Spectrum's customer support is always available to assist.